Hey guys, Shay here with Chronic Pain Dominators. In this training, I just wanted to show you a tour of Canva. Canva is such an amazing tool, and you do not have to buy it. There are a lot of free options that you can use to make cover photos, logos, anything for whichever platform that you need to make content on. It's such a great tool. So let's just dive right in. And I'm just going to share my screen here. Okay, so this is Canva. This is where I have made some of my clients' cover photos, my own, my YouTube banner I made here. It's great for everything. So you can choose from any templates. They'll give you templates to use, lots of free choices, guys, as well. If you're not utilizing this tool, you need to. It's so awesome and it helps create really good content. So say I wanted to make a Facebook cover, I would just go Facebook cover. All right. You can either create a blank Facebook cover or you can use these templates. So here's one for like affiliate marketing, and you can delete the picture and add another picture. I'll show you how to do all that as well. There is also a Canva app you can download on your computer, which I have as well. So you don't always have to be on the browser. So here's the template they gave me. Very cool. It's already set up really nicely. Now what I want to do is change the picture, the wording. You can add or delete. It doesn't matter what. You can pretty much do anything. So then I would go into uploads, and you would have to upload from your your computer or your phone. And let's just choose that photo for now. Just put it right in there. See? And you can change the colors of these. This is really cool, of the border here. If you want to, just up here. You can change that to white, whatever you want. And my favorite part about this is the elements. You can add like some pretty cool things. So you can add lines and shapes, graphics, there's stickers, photos. You just can go through this and play around. It's a lot of fun. If you want like a circle or an arrow or a rectangle shape, like the join now, the shape in the picture there, you can get shapes like that as well. Um, so yeah, you just search anything from Canva and it will be right here. Lots of free options. And then you can add text. So there's text on here. You can either right click on it and just delete, and you can add your own heading and type whatever you want in there. You can change the font and everything up at the top here. You can change the color, the size, the font. You can even use some of these already, like Hello Darling Slay Day. Those on the side here, those are pretty cool to use in your picture. Obviously, you can change what they say, so that's awesome. You can also make logos and YouTube banners. You can make your Facebook post, Instagram stories, reels. You can do everything on Canva. It's pretty much like there's lots of things. It's not does not have a lot of limits. Um, so my projects. This is where Canva automatically saves your projects. That's another awesome thing about Canva. And they put it into here. There's recent, there's designs, all the designs that I'm working on or are wanting to see if I like that or not. Um, Here's my YouTube banner that I designed here on Canva. Yeah, so I have Pro, so I got a background and I just added element like I added in the elements stuff that I wanted. And I've played around with the font and changed the colors of some of the things of the graphics they gave me and just kind of made it my own. And so yeah, that's how I um, did that for my YouTube. So yeah, that's how I created my YouTube banner. So again, on the side, there's a whole bunch of options here: templates, elements, uploads, the text, the styles, the logos, and more. There is photos, audio, video, background, charts, and folders. It just gives you a whole bunch of options to work with. You can import your media through Canva. I personally don't do that, but yeah, so whatever you want to do. You can even make a resume. You could make your business card on here. Yeah, this tool is really amazing. So yeah, just let me know if you have any questions and tell me what you think. Canva is an amazing tool and it's free to use. I would get used to it and just play around with it and have fun because this part can be really fun, guys. Just being creative. So, yeah, just let me know what you thought of this video below. And if you have any questions, feel free to book a free call with me or message me. All right, have a good one.